Tripura topographically consists of a large number of hill ranges, hillocks and hilly terrains interspread with wide fields. But due to the practice of shifting cultivation, a method of slash and burn agriculture locally called as jhum, which is traditionally done by the indigenous tribal section of people in Tripura, large areas of forest has degraded, having negative environmental impacts, besides accelerating the soil erosion, causing landslides and siltation of rivers. Identifying the issue and towards mitigating it through sustainable development, the SCATFORM project has intervened to gradually decrease the jhum practicing population's direct dependence on forest and recovering the quality of forest in the targeted area. In such a situation, SCATFORM project has introduced the latest tools like GIS or Geographic Information System, a computer system for gathering data on the existing topography and vegetation. The GIS data helps to analyze and display geographically referenced information before the visit of the project officials to the targeted area, which are often located in inaccessible areas inside deep jungles, and thus help in working out with development plans for proper implementation of the project.
GIS is basically we call this as a geographical information system. We actually use this technology in the form of digital imageries taken by satellites. We basically procure those imageries from NRSC, and on that we can call it as a third eye of our administration, where we do not have the places we do not have road tracks and all, where reaching there is a very tricky thing. So in that case we use this technology in our lab so that we can find out those degraded lands where people's intervention is very less. After that we go to the ground and we do the ground truthing, so that whatever we have identified those land, we actually find out in ground zero the reality. Actually those maps, whatever we do here in lab, we should validate in the field.
GIS not only helps to develop a digital database to identify topography of the concerned areas with geoposition using advanced satellite imagery, but it is also beneficial in creating resources inventory by studying the available distribution of resources and further analyzing the data to find solutions. Satellite imagery provide a knowledge regarding important infrastructures at any location to the field officials in advance, and thus help in collection of field data and preparing base map for digitalization of the interpretation results. GIS also provide the government with the capability to monitor project activities to avoid overlap and make proper use of the limited human and financial resources. The GIS can subsequently be utilized to gather data and update the existing topographic, socio-economic, infrastructure, hydrological and land use maps, beside impact study of the project on the targeted area and population to come out with a conclusion based on comparative study of scientifically gathered data.